Today, we are going to be talking about healthy, energy boosting snacks to eat before a youth climbing competition. My name is Rachel Sirota, and I am a holistic habits coach specializing in essential oils and natural lifestyle solutions. Plus, I'm a mom of 3 competitive rock climbers. So you'll find lots of tips for empowered parenting for young athletes on this channel. When my oldest son started competitive rock climbing almost 4 years ago, one of the things that was hardest for me to wrap my head around was the structure of the championship level competition events. At these events, the competitors check into isolation prior to the competition. They then wait in this separate room with all the other competitors and coaches, sometimes for several hours before it's their turn to climb. During that time, they might play card games, chat with their friends, warm up, and of course, snack. I remember struggling before that first competition because I had no idea what snacks to send with my kiddo to help him to feel full, but not too full, to be energized, but also focused, and to avoid a potential sugar crash at exactly the wrong moment. But over time, we figured out the high energy snacks for athletes, especially rock climbing kids. If you love learning about natural tools to support your young athletes, hit subscribe and click the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Be sure you stick around to the end to hear these 2 simple recipes. Plus, I'll share my free guide with 5 simple steps to a healthy lifestyle through habits that stick. I'm so excited to share these 2 healthy, energy boosting snacks for youth climbers and really anyone else who loves healthy and delicious snacks. We know how important it is to fuel your body before a competition. So today, we'll be sharing 2 delicious recipes that are packed with nutrition and will provide the energy you need to show up and perform your best. Our first snack is On Guard apples. On Guard is a proprietary blend of essential oils by doTERRA that supports a healthy immune system. Combined with the natural goodness of apples, it is the perfect pre-competition snack. Here's what you need: fresh apples, doTERRA On Guard, and maybe some nut butter for dipping if you want. Just start by washing and slicing the apples. Add your sliced apples to a bowl of water and then add 1 drop of On Guard per apple. This powerful blend contains 5 essential oils: cinnamon, which promotes a healthy immune system; wild orange and clove, which have amazing antioxidant properties; plus eucalyptus and rosemary essential oils, which offer energizing aromas. Combined, this blend provides delicious flavor, immune boosting support, and, of most importance to my kids, protection from oxidation. In other words, the apples don't turn brown. Now, just let your apples soak in the water for about 30 minutes Longer is totally fine. And then drain the water and pack them in a container to bring into ISO or whatever athletic competition you're heading to. If you want, bring along some nut butter for dipping. What do you think? Pretty easy, right? And guess what? We totally eat this snack all the time, not just before climbing competitions. When do you think your family might enjoy On Guard apples? Now, our next snack is protein balls. These bite-sized treats are loaded with protein, healthy fats, and natural sweeteners, making them an excellent choice for sustained energy during a competition. All right, here's what you need. 1/4 cup oat flour, a 1/4 cup ground flax, 1 scoop of doTERRA protein powder. We like the vegan one. 1 cup of nut butter, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, depending on how sweet you like it, a splash of vanilla extract, a pinch of sea salt, and melted chocolate if you want. In a large mixing bowl, combine all of the ingredients except the chocolate. Mix everything together until it forms a sticky dough. Once the mixture is really well combined, use your hands to roll it into bite-sized balls. Place the protein balls on a lined baking sheet and pop them in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to firm them up. If you want, you can then dip the balls into melted chocolate and then put them in the freezer for another 30 minutes to harden. And there you have it. Delicious protein balls that are packed with energy boosting nutrients. Pack a couple up and snack on them before competing for sustained energy throughout your day. What do you think? Easy, right? Which of these 2 snacks is going to be the favorite in your house? Are you ready to keep the momentum going? Download my free Creating Healthy Habits guide by clicking the link in the description. And you will learn my top tips for creating even more healthy habits that stick. Remember to like and subscribe and tune in next week. It's time for another DIY. I'm going to show you how to make a super gentle skin scrub, perfect to give as a gift or keep for yourself.